Today we are working on the 9th lesson in Excel, lesson 4, conditional formatting. So this is what you should have open. It says you have been asked to prepare a report for your manager identifying your best corporate customers based on the amount of sales this year. In addition, you need to identify mid-level corporate customers because the marketing department may want to work closely with them during the latter half of the year. You will identify the best customers as having generated more than $12,000 of sales this year, and the mid-level customers of having generated more than $9,000 but less than $12,000. Sounds difficult, but in reality it's not. So, select cells B3 through B23. So I'm going to click with my mouse and drag down from B3 to B23. On the Home tab in the Styles group, we're going to click Conditional Formatting. Click Highlight Cells Rules, and then go over to click Between. In the Between dialog box, replace the value in the leftmost text box with 9,000. So we want that to say 9,000. Press Tab. That takes you to the next box. And we're going to make that say 12,000. Then click the arrow for the rightmost list box and click Yellow Fill with dark yellow text. And then click OK. Mark that as answered. And what that did is anything between 9 and 12,000 now has that yellow highlight. with those cells still highlighted, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting again, highlight Cells Rules, and then click Greater Than. In the Greater Than dialog box, replace a value on the left with 12,000, because that's what we want to know. Click the arrow for the rightmost box list and click Custom Format. Excel displays the Format Cells dialog box to allow you to select from a wide variety of formatting options. Click the Fill tab right here. Click the light green color, 5th from the left bottom row in the background color section. This one right here. And then click OK. Click OK. Click in an empty cell outside the cell range to view the data. So this shows you this is what it should look like, and you can see that that's what ours looks like, so we know we've done that correctly. Step 3. Now observe what happens when you change data values. Assume that 2 of the cell values are incorrect. So select cell B3 and enter 13,000. Press enter. You can see that it highlighted it in green because it's above 12,000. Select cell B10, which used to be green, and we're going to enter 2,000, and voila, it takes away that formatting. Even though the formatting is not changed for any of these cells, the highlighting is changed based on the new cell values. So submit that. Submit results. 3 green check marks, so this completes conditional formatting.